Right, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for returning, and yeah, I hope you will continue to stay. So we are on our way to the zoo. We're gonna go to, I think, the one in Harties. We're running late already because it's already like 12 o'clock. So yeah, I just wanted to show you my outfit of the day quickly. Oh shit. Okay, so this is what I'm wearing. Oh Lord, you won't see it, but anyway, I'm wearing my okay, so the top is from Woolies, the pants are from H&M, and then I'm wearing my Adidas Sambas. So yeah, and then don't mind my hair, I'm just gonna paste it down. I'm waiting for the glue to be tacky, and then I'm pasting it down, then we're gonna go. Alright, I'll chat you guys.
Physical characteristics of the snake. But before I can continue, who can tell me where the venom of the snake is produced? Teeth, no.
What's in the tongue?
Tongue, no.
It's not in the tongue.
Stomach is a big no. Throat. Who can try? I have the answer somewhere. Thank you very much, my sister. The venom of the snake is produced behind the eye, where Mr. Robert is pointing right now. Behind the eye of the snake, there's a place called venom gland. Venom gland is connected with the venom duct. A venom duct is just a tube which transports the venom from the glands to the fence. And the function of the fence is just to inject the venom onto the press body. If you can notice, there's something which is hanging out there, which is a tongue. Who can tell me what the function of the tongue in the snake? Thank you very much. It's to sense or smell. We human beings, we use our nostrils. So if you see the snake active, it will take its tongue out, flip it up and down. Once the tongue goes back in, the snake will realize what's happening around it. If you are smelling KFC, the snake will also be smelling KFC by its tongue. All of the snakes have got two eyes like us humans. Unfortunately for the snakes, are a little bit smaller and upward in vision. Two exceptions, that's bronze lung and fire snakes. Those two can see you clearly as you are and the color that you are wearing. Now, last thing on this head. There's something that's missing on this head. Just compare this head with yours and tell me what is missing except the body parts. Thank you very much. There are no ear flaps or ear drums, meaning snakes are deaf to sound. If you encounter a snake, screaming, shouting, doing all kinds of noise, you'll be just wasting your time. Because of the snake can't hear you at all. But if you manage to encounter a snake, you can just stand, dead still, or move to the opposite direction. You'll be more safe. That's all I have regarding our European fire mandate. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you, Mr. Robert.
Mara, moving opposite direction is what?
Many hours later.
Alright guys, hello, good morning. So as you seen, yesterday we went to the snake and animal park, go Harties. So we wanted to go to the zoo basically, né? But then someone advised us that the Joburg Zoo is very big, so we should have went in the morning. Then they suggested no, you can go to, well, they didn't suggest, we then asked them what about the snake, or we thought it was a zoo actually at Harties. Yes, you can go there because it's smaller, so you cover everything in a short space of time. But if you want to go to the Joburg Zoo, you rather wake up in the morning and go. Alright, sorry. Alright, so yeah, I'd rather wake up in the morning and go. Yeah, it's better that way. So sharp, because already it was around 11 here, which is this advice or whatever. So then we went, made our way to Harties, and we got there around maybe past 1 or something. Yeah, then we got in, saw everything, and then there was a snake and animal show, or seal basically, snake and seal show, and then we watched that for like 30 minutes. Yeah, and then yeah, that's Amai. After that, Ravoy, and then we went to salsa Mexican what grill, yeah, and had food and then called it a night. So yeah, I think it's worth it, especially if you have like a I don't want to say toddler, I want to say a 5-year-old, 6, where they can see what they see. So our 1-year-old, we only went because we're taking the older one. But we're gonna have to go back for our 1-year-old. So yeah, we're gonna have to go back for our 1-year-old so that he can also see when he's older and he understands what's happening. Alright, so that was that. So today I'm just putting on my hair because I'm going to see a friend. I'm not gonna do makeup or anything like that. I have run out of time. Time goes so quickly these days, it's freaking crazy. I don't know what we're supposed to do, but whatever plans that you are having of starting something, you need to start it now because time is running, guys. It's August, it's mid-August basically. So yeah, hey, there's a lot going on. So yeah, I just wanna paste my hair and then straighten it quickly and then get dressed and go because I'm already late. We're supposed to meet at 1 o'clock and it's 1 o'clock right now, and it's far. I'm going to, I think it's Boxburg or Benoni, between the two. The further one is the one I'm going to. Sorry guys, so I actually have you guys on a mirror. I pasted you guys on a mirror. I have this thing that I bought from Takealot. So I just mounted you guys on my bathroom mirror, and that way I can do stuff. Let me just that's all I'm going to do. I'm just gonna get dressed and go. So this hair is from Hair Trader. If you've seen from my previous vlogs, you would have seen me talk about it. I think it's a great investment. Yeah, I think it's quickly becoming a get up and go wig for me. Because it's so easy to wear, you know, quick and then you wear it and you're out the door. So yeah, check out the Hair Trader. Alright, outfit of the day. I'm wearing this top from H&M, and then these jeans are from Zara. and then just some sneakers. So yeah, this is it. I'm just gonna carry my Luella bag because I'm not going anywhere. It's just a sling bag. I mean, I'm going to my friend's house, so it's not like we're going out or anything like that, so I don't need like a better bag or anything. Alright, so I'm gonna put on my perfume. I'm gonna put on the Jo Malone Rose Flush, the one that I did an unboxing on. I just haven't worn it in a while, so I just wanna wear it. Alright, great guys. So if I don't check you guys later, this is going to be the end of the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe. Follow me on TikTok. I am going to try and focus on TikTok to build a platform there, and then I will be posting here and there here. I unfortunately need to just try out my luck with every other platform and see how that goes. So that's what my plan is for now. But it's not that I won't post anything on YouTube, but I'm gonna try and push for what you call this, TikTok more than YouTube, because YouTube is a very slow growing platform, and so if I can push TikTok, then hopefully the people on TikTok can also subscribe to my channel, my YouTube channel. Alright, so yeah, that's it guys. Let me just go. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye.